Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So, do you want to know one of my secret weapons to an organized home and an organized life? So think of it this way. It's okay to ask for directions or ask for help if you don't know how to get where you want to go. And decluttering your home and your life is also a journey. It's a journey that will transform your life if you take consistent action and if you stick with it. But decluttering an entire house can be extremely overwhelming and stressful. That's why so many people get distracted, they lose focus and that motivation, and they start making excuses, and then they give up altogether. That's why the room by room checklists that are included in my new workbook, Readus Minimalist Essentials, is your secret weapon to getting started, staying motivated, and successfully crossing that finish line. So the room by room checklist provides that perfect roadmap with realistic step-by-step actions that will help you stay on track, keep going, and simplify the decision making so that you can get to your goal faster and even more efficiently. So if you're interested, get your workbook today by going to my website. Click the link below, Readus Minimalist Essentials.